Benefits of doing the plank exercise every day. The frequency of doing planks can vary based on individual fitness levels, goals, and overall health. The quote you provided suggests a gradual progression in the number of planks performed each day. Here are some considerations. Starting point. If you're new to planking, or have not been regularly incorporating it into your routine, starting with 1 plank a day is a reasonable approach. This allows you to establish a baseline and focus on maintaining proper form. Progress gradually. As you become more comfortable with the exercise, you can gradually increase the number of planks per day. The recommendation is to work up to 3 to 10 planks a day. This range provides flexibility for individuals to adjust based on their fitness level. Duration. Aim to hold each plank for a minimum of 1 minute at a time. The duration of the plank is an essential factor in reaping the maximum benefits. As you progress, you can challenge yourself by increasing the duration of each plank. Variations. Consider incorporating variations of the plank, such as side planks, to target different muscle groups and improve flexibility. Side planks engage the obliques and can contribute to overall core strength. Consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the benefits of planking. Performing planks regularly, even if it's just a few minutes each day, can contribute to improved core strength, stability, and posture. It's important to note that while planking every day can be beneficial, it's just one component of a well-rounded fitness routine. Including a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups, along with cardiovascular and flexibility training, is ideal for our overall fitness. As with any exercise, pay attention to your body, ensure proper form during planks, and consult with a fitness professional or healthcare provider if you have any concerns or pre-existing health conditions.